Alright, I know it's a little late. I think it's about, yeah, it's 8:30 right now, so I hope that my neighbors don't kill me. But we're gonna give the bike a little startup, a little warm up, and see how it sounds. So I'm gonna get my garage door halfway. There it goes. Turn this super awesome light on. Bam. Alright, let's get the key. Perfect. Alright. So I hope you guys can see everything just fine. There's my garage. Alright, let's turn it on. The bike is currently at 13,368 miles. Alright. There it goes. I gotta be honest, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it sounds amazing. Extend down. Do a little walk around. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Like I said, I don't want my neighbors to get upset, but there it is. Nice.